Alright, it's been a while since my last video, but today I'm doing the oil change on the BMW. It's a little bit different, a little bit the same, pretty much all the same. Using Mobile One and a STP filter this time. This filter goes in here, and I don't have a socket that big, so I just used a wrench, or I'm using a wrench. It's really tight, so I have to take that off, pull the drain plug, dump the oil, not all over the driveway though, and then refill it. Takes about, I don't know, 6.9 liters or something, so whatever that equates to in quarts, close to 7. So I got a ton of oil to get this done. Alright, just a quick correction. These are channel lock pliers, not a wrench. Channel locks, not a wrench. Alright, finally got it loose enough. Alright, so there's my oil filter. Super nasty. There's an O-ring on there too that has to get replaced. So, alright, so we're gonna drain the oil, get that out, change the filter, put the new one in, change the O-ring, but I'll show you everything anyway. Alright, so under the car, here's the access hole. You see the drain plug. It's on the passenger side, or on the right hand side if you're in Europe. It's a 17. We're gonna pull that out, and well, I'm gonna pull that out and let the oil spill. Alright, so while the oil's draining, we'll do the filter. Alright, so it pops out. Then we gotta take this O-ring off here. This O-ring come right out. I think we replaced those two, but we'll see what the new kit came with. So the kit came with a O-ring for there, and then a drain plug gasket. Okay. So put the new filter in. There we go. New one, get some clean oil, rub it on there, and then I'll put it back on the filter housing. Alright, just getting some fresh oil, just the tip of my finger, just the tip. Rub some fresh oil on this dude. Go. Alright, so that's nice and seated. Got a little bit of clean oil on my hands. Then we gotta put it right back in. See? So right back in there. Gotta be careful with that. Don't break anything. So you don't have to buy anything else. And then I'll retighten it with my channel locks.
Don't you mean your pliers?
My wrench.
Your wrench?
There we go.
Alright, and so here's the drain plug. Fresh copper gasket, washer, whatever you want to call it. It's on there. So we're good to go now. So when it's done draining, put this back in, tighten this, fill it up. Be good. Cool. Alright, gonna start with 5. Check the oil level.
Gulp, 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 gulp. Gulp, gulp.
Alright, 5 quarts in, and it's reading low on the dipstick. Alright, cool. So we add, well, give it a second, I guess. Then I'll add some more. Yes, it's barely registering down there. We need it right here.
Quart number 6.
Still reading a little low. So then I'll add the 7th quart, and it should get me up to the fill line.
Quart number 7. We might even do a partial on this one.
There we go. I did about 3/4 of a quart. See, yeah, turn it on, let it run for a couple seconds, get some oil into the filter, and then check it again in a minute.
There you go, wipe it off and put it back up. What's up, Karma? Our official mascot, helping us do the oil change. Karma. Karma, karma, karma.
Ooh, bitch.
Official bumper cleaner of the new millennium. Oh, check those tires. Make sure they're proper.
How do they smell? They smell like they're inflated? Cool. Alright, so just let it run. Let the filter fill up really quick. It should read a little low since all the oil's not at the bottom of the engine right now. And it does. So I'll put that last bit in. Yeah. Alright, so to reset the oil light, hold the left button and turn the key to the first position and hold it for like 5 seconds until that comes on, and then let go and hold it again. Until it's blinking, and push it one more time. There you go. Alright, so that was the oil change. Took about 30 minutes because I took my time and it was slow, or I was slow. Got a little oil left over right there on my forehead. Yeah, really easy. Do it yourself. Don't spend a shit ton of money. The oil was even on sale at AutoZone, so I saved like an extra 15 bucks because it was the oil and the filter for like 30 bucks plus a couple extra quarts to make 7. So go save yourself some money. Do it yourself. Don't waste your money paying somebody else for something you can do yourself.
And cheaper.
And subscribe and like this video. Like them all, but subscribe. That'd be cool. Thanks.